got some pizza here. It's called pizza fromage. Hey guys, we are still looking for the gardens, and I think we have to go straight from here and then take a right. So this is the beautiful architecture in Monaco. As you can see, a beautiful street. To droite,
Demandez à deux gens.
à deux gens. Merci. जो स्कूल में फ्रेंच सीखी थी उसका काम आ रहा है आज।
मेरे स्कूल में तो जर्मन सिखाई थी, तो आपको पता है उसके बाद में मेरी जर्मन कैसी है।
है ना? नहीं, रेंट पे ही होंगी ये तो। एक सेकंड चल रहा हूँ। अच्छा चलते चलते क्या कर दिया? Hey guys, we are in country number 13 in Monaco, in Monte Carlo, and the camera girl is Shilpa. Welcome to Monaco. Video, salut. 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 Ciao ciao. Hi guys, I just realized that the garden is closed, but the view is exceptional from here. And hello. And yeah, as you can see the view here, that's the sea there. And yeah, we are going to go to another road out there where we can see the view. And unfortunately, the garden is closed, so we'll have to check something else out. So let's go and see the view then. This is the beautiful garden here.
मिलेगा नहीं, तो जैसा भी है पीना ही पड़ेगा।
एक काम Hi guys, we are going to Palais Princier, that's the castle here in Monaco. As we saw before that the Jardin Exotique was closed, but now we have to climb up the castle and go from here. So that's the view from here. As you can see, we are in Monte Carlo in Monaco, my country number 30. just reached the Palais Princier. This is the castle. We're in Monaco. As you can see, the weather is beautiful. The palace is beautiful. That's a statue behind me. There are police everywhere. It's the palace where the king lives.
No.
That's the guard right there. That's the guard. So anybody who wants to come to visit Monaco should come to this palace. It's just a 15-minute walk from the Jardin Exotique, which means exotic gardens. Jardin Exotique is in French and it means garden exotic, which is 15 minutes from here. And this is the palace here. And you don't need any ticket, it's absolutely free of cost. So yeah, that's the place where the king lives, the king of Monaco. उसको पसंद नहीं है ऑरेंज जूस. मैं बोल रहा हूँ एप्पल जूस पहले ही ख़त्म कर दिया वो घोड़ी ने और हमको ऑफ़र नहीं किया ज़्यादा. Hi guys, we just bought the ticket for the aquarium here in Monaco. It's called l'Aquarium et le Musée Oceanographie. So anybody wants to come, it costs 14 euros and we are going inside right now.